next. So let's turn our work and do treble crochet. So treble crochet, most crocheters hate it, and the reason for it, there's extra wrapping involved, but there is a purpose for it, and it does look great for lacy kind of clothing, etc. So you know, there's some naysayers, but the reality is it's a perfectly good stitch. So we've chained up 3 to do a double crochet. So treble is even taller than double crochet, and this time we're gonna chain up 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this now is the new height of the next stitch. The reason why the crocheters hate this stitch is that you have to wrap the hook twice. So I say wrap and wrap, so you yarn over twice and then come into the next stitch. So you don't come into the same one that's underneath, you come into the very next one, in, pull through 2, or sorry, pull through, you have 4 loops on your hook, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. So you have to pull through 3 times. So it's that wrapping it twice that gets on people's nerves. So wrap and wrap, so yarn over twice into the next stitch, pull through, 4 loops are on your hook, pull through 2, 2 and 2. So wrap and wrap into the next stitch, pull through, 2, 2 and 2. Wrap and wrap into the next stitch, pull through 2, 2 and 2. Wrap, next stitch. So let me speed up to regular speed, and it doesn't take much. In actual fact, you grow the project much faster when you use treble crochet. So can you wrap the hook even more to make it even taller? Absolutely, for sure. It gets a little bit more complex, you know, for time wise and etc., but the reality is that you can grow your project much taller. So most projects that you will see will either be single crochet, half double crochet, double, and occasionally you will see treble. It depends on the project, and there's a good reason for it as well. So I'm making my way all the way to the end. See, I kinda like the motion of it. Okay, you make sure you go all the way to the end. Now when it comes to these ones here, this is your last stitch here, okay, and you come into the top of the turning chain in order to do that. So it keeps that nice and flat going up on both sides. And so now you've just done single, half, you've done double, and now you've done treble.